What is up, guys? This is Awesome with Investofy, and I hope you have enjoyed our video training series so far. So, what have we learned so far? We've learned how to open our first account for stocks. We've seen how stock market works, how to buy our first stock, and we've kind of seen what Investofy is about, how we do our research, and how we provide that to our users, our partners, perhaps. In this video, I want to take you through some more of the examples of stocks that we've invested in and these companies and how they have performed. So, we have a very simple formula for investing, and this is the formula that has proven to be the most successful one over the years. Number one, we focus on the people. We focus on what the team is about, what their vision is. Number two, we focus on these companies from a product mindset. What is the product? What are they building? Is it innovative? Is it going to help propel us into the future, make better opportunities for us, create better lifestyle for everyone? And number three, how is the financials looking for these companies? Are they financially strong? Do they have enough cash flow coming in that they can sustain the next few years? But after all that, we take into consideration artificial intelligence. We focus on, okay, now that we have all these parameters in place, where we're looking for these socially responsible companies that are ethical, that have strong fundamentals, have strong management, what is the math behind them? What is the price predictions we can gauge? We're not looking at making money over the next 15 minutes. We're looking about making money over the next 15 months. So that is what we focus on. And just to put things in perspective, I will show you a few examples right here. So to start off again, I'm going to take a look at Twitter. We purchased Twitter in around October at around $18.48 at this price point. And since then, we have seen Twitter go above $33. We've seen an 80% return or increase in the value of Twitter since we purchased it. What made us purchase Twitter again? We saw that they were investing in artificial intelligence. They are building the company. And if you see their most recent earnings report, they did exceptionally well and they were very profitable. Why? Because they cut back on a very important thing, which was giving way too much stock options to their employees and perhaps holding it back in a vested interest and letting that money flow back into the company. So that was one example. The another example that I want to look at is something that we looked at in the beginning of 2017. So this is Global Blood Therapeutics. We decided to purchase it around $16.45. All right. And within a few weeks, we saw this company skyrocket to over $40. So the fact that we made over 150% return in 6 weeks says a lot. But if you keep on looking what this company is about, you see that it had a drop to around $24. But then right now it is sitting at $62.95, which is outrageous. But it makes sense, right? Because again, it comes down to that formula of what the company is about, what the people are about. And then we use AI on that and buying something at $16.75 and now it's sitting at $62 just 1 year later, you've made a $46 a share profit. So if you bought just 10 shares of that company and spent $160, you would have made more than what you would pay for our annual subscription. So that is the power of knowing what you're looking for. Another example that I want to focus on is XPO Logistics. XPO Logistics was something that we purchased around $49, $49.50 in the week of April 24th. And as you can see, at its high, it reached over $98. So we literally saw 100% increase in the value of the stock since purchasing it. Even right now, it's above 90% return on the value of stock. These are very important things. These aren't just random stocks that we picked up. We did a lot of thorough um, background checks on them. We did vetting of these to make sure that they met our ethical criterias, our socially responsible standards that we have for investing. We made sure that these companies have pretty decent financials. And then we added artificial intelligence. You see, the fact is that the information we're using is not known to the public. And it is because of the fact that it's hedge funds that use such information, that keep it to themselves. But that's what Investofy is about. Instead of running a fund, we want to democratize education. We want everyone to have the knowledge that we have built over years of investing, over years of studying the markets, right? Over years of building algorithms on artificial intelligence and fine tuning them, perfecting them day in, day out. Because none of this matters if we cannot share information, share education, and help others build a future for themselves. So, knowing what you know now about Investofy, I would highly urge you to join our service to see in action how over time your own investments, your own accounts will grow exponentially with our service. Whether you use Robinhood or you use interactive brokers, you will see and understand that it's not that difficult to get started with the stock market. And that's what we did over the past few days, in the past few videos, that we wanted to make sure you understand what brokerages are, how to buy your first stock, how to understand what Investofy is about, and see that there is a huge learning curve in learning about anything new, right? Any new language, or in this case, investing in the stock market, but investing correctly for the long term. And that's where we want to help you, that perhaps we just send you an alert to your phone, tell you, hey, buy this stock at this price, sell it at this price, and profit at this price, and tell you why we're investing in that. So all you have to do is just do the plug and play and let us do all the research. And here's the beauty, right? Every single stock that we provide you with is first bought by us. We put our money where our mouth is, and then go from there to provide that to you, because we want to keep complete transparency. We want you to succeed. We also want ourselves to succeed. Why miss out on opportunities to make money when we don't have to? So that's what Investofy is about. It's about you. It's about helping you build your generational wealth. So once again, I welcome you to Investofy, to experience what we're building here. And our goal is to truly revolutionize financial education. So join us, and we'll see you on the other side. Thank you so much for being part of this video training, and I hope you follow through and become part of the Investofy family. Thank you.